Just so you know, we will be taking the biggest room.
But there are enough rooms for everyone to get their own.
Never thought I'd run into Saitama while training out in the middle of nowhere.
Whoa, isn't that Spike around? No, Speedo's down.
Speed a sound.
We should just throw him back outside then.
Screw you guys!
If we put him outside, he's done for.
Isn't it a bit warm in here?
Hey, I'm freezing here.
What if Master comes down with a cold?
Spoiled bastards. At any rate, I managed to infiltrate the enemy. And I'm so going to kill you, Saitama.
Please just ignore me and continue with your training.
Training? I'm just reading a manga, dude.
Untying oneself? That's a ninja specialty. Exploding shuriken!
Incineration cannon!
Aw, man.